everybody, I'm Jilly with One Good Thing by Jilly with another useful tip for better living. We've all done it before. We've shrunk things in the dryer that we didn't mean to, whether it's our own fault or maybe our husband's fault. And you literally can unshrink your clothes with just a bucket or sink full of warm water, some baby shampoo, and a couple of clean bath towels. First, you're going to fill your bucket or your sink with some warm water. Add a capful of baby shampoo or mild shampoo. Any mild shampoo will do. This is going to help relax the fibers in the clothing. Then you're going to soak your item, and then after a minute or so, take it out and gently squeeze out the excess water. You don't want to wring it, you just want to squeeze out the water. And you're not going to rinse it either. There's just a tiny bit of shampoo in there, it's not going to make a difference. Place that wet item on a clean, dry bath towel and lay it flat and then roll it up. And this is just to get as much water out as you can so it's damp and not wet. And then unroll it and put that same item of clothing on another dry towel, lay it flat. And here you're going to want to gently stretch the fabric of the clothing item back to the original size, the size that you wanted it in the first place. And then you're just going to let it air dry the rest of the way. Or if you're impatient like me, you can put a fan on it and it will do the trick. And just make sure the next time you wash it, don't put it in the dryer. It really will work on any type of fabric. Obviously, it's more helpful on stretchy fabrics like t-shirts and sweatpants, but even jeans it'll work if you can just give them, you're gonna have to work a little harder to get that stretch back in them. So if you'd like more details on how to unshrink your clothes, go to onegoodthingbyjilly.com and be sure while you're there to sign up for our emails.